everyone, welcome to Niranjana's Food Ventures. Today I'm going to make a traditional Indian sweet dish, carrot halwa, with some twist to it. I'm going to serve it in some tart shells along with some Rabdi. Not just the usual Rabdi, it's a green tea infused Rabdi. Seems interesting? Come, let's get started.
For the tart shells, use half cup flour, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of cold butter and a pinch of salt. Break down the cold butter into smaller pieces. Use the fingers to rub the butter into the flour. Keep on rubbing until you get breadcrumb-like texture. Can you see the texture now? Now sprinkle a little water and bind it to a soft dough. Dust some flour and sheet the dough. Let the sheet be around 1 mm thick. If it's too thin, then your tarts might become very brittle. Use a round cutter to cut out the tarts. Place it on a greased cupcake mould. You can reuse the same dough to make the remaining tarts. Use a fork and gently dock the base of the tart. This prevents it from raising and forming air bubbles. Bake the tarts at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Our tart shells are now ready. Add 2 teaspoons of green tea, and add 200 ml of water to it. Let it boil. Once it begins to boil, simmer it for 5 minutes. Strain it to extract the green tea infusion. Add 200 ml of milk to a pan and add 30 grams of sugar to it. Let it simmer for around 10 minutes. Now we can add the green tea extract to it. Now let this simmer for around 15 minutes until it becomes thick. We can turn off the heat at this stage and let it cool. Heat 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. And add 1 cup of grated carrot to it. Saute the carrot in the ghee until the raw smell goes off. Once the raw smell of the carrot goes off, we can add a little water to cook the carrot. Around 50 ml of water will be sufficient. Cover this and cook for 5 minutes. Now our carrots are completely cooked. This is the time to add the sugar. Add half cup of sugar. As the sugar melts, it will become a little watery. Now we have to cook this until all the water is completely absorbed. It will take around 15 minutes on medium heat. Add half tablespoon of ghee to finish it off. All the elements of a dish are now ready and it's the time to assemble it. Fill your tart shells with little carrot halwa. Make a little space in the center for the Rabdi and pour a spoon of Rabdi in the center. Repeat it with the remaining tarts. Garnish it with some nuts and some powdered sugar. It's now ready to serve.
Hope you enjoyed today's recipe. The crispiness of the tart shells, the sweetness of the carrot halwa and the astringency of the green tea rabdi together makes an amazing combination. If you found this recipe interesting, do try it out and let me know how it came out in the comments below. You can follow me on Instagram at myfoodventures, for which the link is in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to Niranjana's Food Ventures for more interesting recipes. Bye!